Good morning all of you. I'm Ashok Kumar Misra. Today going to continue with the new chapter of class 7 using Excel as a database. Last class I have also discussed the various points of this chapter like as the field, record, field name and using a form to enter data, adding a new record in the form, searching how can you search a record, and deleting a record, and sorting data, filtering data, and using advanced filter, what is conditional formatting, and using data validation, adding subtotal in the database, and analyzing data with the pivot tables. And today's going to solve the objective based question like as the fill in the blanks of section A. First question is, a database helps the user to dash, retrieve, sort and edit data as needed, that is organize. First answer is organize. Second, a dash windows or a screen that contains numerous field or a space to enter, modify and view one record at a time. Answer is form. Third question, dash is a column label for the field in a database. Answer is field name. Fourth, to restrict the type of data and the value while entering data in a cell, use dash data validation option. To search for a record with a specific value, click on the dash button in the form criteria. And sixth question, dash provide an easy way to present data in the summarized way. Answer is pivot table. These are the fill in the blanks of section A, chapter 2. Now state true and false. Now state the true and false. First question, record refers to the raw in a database. Second question is records. First question is record refer to the raw in a database. Statement. This statement is true. Second, field name can be duplicated in the database. Statement is false. Third, you can sort the data only on one field. Third question is false. Fourth, the field represent a column in a database. True. And fifth, subtotal value in a database are calculated with the count function. Question number 5, answer false. And 6, in a database one cannot rearrange the data as per need. False. And 7th, conditional formatting set the cell format according to the conditions of condition that you specify. This statement is true. So and here is some application based questions. Kanika is a chartered accountant. She look after the account of various companies and keep their record in Microsoft Excel. She does not have any idea to how to view only those records that she want to see. Suggest the features of Microsoft Excel using she can perform this task. Answer is by using the auto filter. She can display only those data that she want to see. And second question is, Varun is maintaining the mark sheet of his class in the Microsoft Excel. The teacher has asked him to restrict marks entering between the 1 to 100 in all the subject. Which features of the Microsoft Excel should Varun use in the order to accomplish the task? Answer is data validation. And the third question, section B, first question is MCQ, multi-choice question. Which among the following features is used to filter the data in the multiple field using the specified criteria? Answer is advanced filter. Second question, which button under the data tab is used to remove a duplicate value from one or more column? Answer, remove data. And third question, which feature in a database provide an easy way to enter, modify and view one record at a time? That is the form. And fourth question, which features help you to display only those records that meet the specified criteria? Answer is filter. And fifth, which features allow us to arrange the given data according to the particular field either in an ascending or a descending order? Answer is sort. So these are the objective based questions of the chapter 2. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.